In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create events and receive appointments on Calendly. Whether you're setting up meetings for work or organizing a social event, Calendly offers a seamless experience to manage your schedule efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to calendly.com using your preferred web browser. Once there, locate the login button, typically found at the top right corner, and click on it. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to sign up by selecting the appropriate option. Next, enter your email address when prompted. After typing it in, hit continue. This step ensures that your account is recognized and secure when accessing it. Once you're in, proceed to enter your password and click continue once more to gain access to all of Calendly's features. Having successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Calendly homepage. Here is where the magic happens. To commence setting up your event, look for the Create button. Clicking this lets you start a new event setup. For the event type, select Group. This option is particularly useful if you need to plan a gathering or meeting that involves multiple attendees. Now, give your event a compelling name. Be descriptive enough so that it immediately conveys the purpose of the event to your invitees. The duration of the event is your next step. Consider how long you realistically need to cover everything on your agenda without rushing. Communicate this clearly, as setting expectations is crucial for effective organization. Next, specify the location of your event. Calendly allows you to choose from various options like a physical address, a virtual meeting link, or even a simple phone call. Select what best fits your needs and is most convenient for your attendees. Setting your availability is another key part of this process. A key Calendly feature is the ability to specify which days and times you're available. This way your invitees can choose from your designated slots, making the scheduling process more efficient. So ensure you accurately reflect the time periods when you are free. Don't forget to set an invitee limit. Here, you decide the maximum number of people who can participate in this particular event, which helps manage capacity and ensure a smooth experience. Lastly, designate a host for the event if needed. If you're the main organizer, that would be you. That's it, you're ready to click Save Changes. Once your event is set and customized, Calendly provides you with a unique link. This is the gateway for your invitees to book appointments. Share this link via email, on your website, or through social media channels. Now just sit back and let the invitees book their slots using the link. You'll receive notifications as appointments are made, keeping you in the loop and well organized. Happy scheduling!